Now question 4 deals with coordinate geometry, and here we have some points. A is at 1, 3, B 9, -1. C has points x, y, which we're going to have to find out later on, and D is the midpoint of A and B. The first step is to find D, the coordinates of D. So it is going to be 1 plus 9 all over 2. So I've added my two x coordinates together and divided by 2 to find halfway between them. And I'm going to do the same with my y coordinates, and this will just simply be 5, 1. That's part 1. Now moving on to the second part of this question. We're told that length of line CD squared is equal to 20, and we have to come up with an equation for this by using Pythagoras theorem. So we're going to go x subtract 5 all squared plus y subtract 1 all squared equals 20. Now we're moving on to part 3, and in this it is given that AC is equal to BC, and we've got to find an equation relating x and y and show that it can be simplified to y equals 2x minus 9. So here AC is going to be, we will do x minus 1 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared is going to equal BC, x minus 9 all squared plus y minus 1 all squared. Now if we multiply these all out, we'll have x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals x squared minus 18x plus 81 plus y squared plus 2y plus 1. And now we need to simplify. Well, we have a y squared on each side, so we're going to get rid of that. We have an x squared on each side, that gets rid of that. I'm going to bring my 18x across to here, which will give me 16x plus 1 plus 9. I'm going to then move my 6y across here, so it will be 8y plus 81 plus 1. And what am I trying to find here? Y equals 2. Okay, so at this point I will simplify this to 6x plus 10 equals 8y plus 82. 16x minus 72 equals 8y. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 8. So I will have 2x minus 9 equals y, or y equals 2x minus 9, which is what we were attempting to prove. The final part of the question asks us to use what we've done so far to find the possible coordinates of C. When it says possible coordinates, that means that there's going to be more than one possibility. So what we're going to do is we're going to substitute this y is 2x minus 9 into this equation here, which we came up with in question 2, part 2 of the question. So I'm going to have x minus 5 all squared plus 2x, and then minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10. And now we're going to expand. So x squared minus 10x plus 25 plus 4x squared minus 40x plus 100 is equal to 20. Now we start gathering up our like terms. 5x squared minus 50x, 125, and then we're going to subtract 20 plus 105 is equal to 0. Divide along the whole line by 5. X squared minus 10x plus 21 equals 0. Now we can factorize x minus 7, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x values for this, the possible x values for our coordinate are going to be 7 or 3. And now we substitute in to find our y values. I would substitute using this. So 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Or if we put in a 3, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 9 is negative 3. So our possible coordinates are 7, 5, or 3, negative 3. And we are done.